Today I'm going to show you how to send a Telegram message without saving a number using a simple direct link method that works fast and keeps your contact list clean. This is a great trick if someone sends you their phone number and you want to message them on Telegram without adding them as a contact first. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. The reason we start in a browser is because Telegram has a built-in direct chat link format that can trigger the app automatically. Next, in the address bar, type the Telegram direct messaging link format exactly like this, http://t.me plus followed by the country code and then the phone number. So for example, if the number is from the United States, you would include the country code first, then the full phone number right after it. Make sure you enter the number correctly because even one wrong digit can take you to the wrong place or fail to open the chat. Once you type the full link, press enter. Telegram will detect the link and immediately prompt you to open the chat in the Telegram app. If Telegram is already installed on your device, it should switch you directly into the conversation screen. From there, you can start typing your message and send it without ever saving the person as a contact. This is especially useful for one-time conversations, business messages, or situations where you do not want to clutter your phone contacts. If the app does not open right away, double-check that Telegram is installed and that you entered the country code and phone number in the correct format. Also make sure you included the plus sign and used the full number with no spaces or extra characters. A lot of people run into trouble simply because they add dashes or forget the country code, so keep it clean and exact. Another quick tip is to copy the number carefully before pasting it into the browser so you avoid typing mistakes. Once the chat opens, you can continue the conversation just like any normal Telegram message. And that's all there is to it. No need to save the number, no need to create a new contact, and no extra steps inside your phone book. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.